Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to set your TikTok username. So let's dive in. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. Then click on Edit Profile. Try to change the username. You'll see it says that you can only change the username once every 30 days. This can be frustrating if you need to change your username immediately. So here's what we'll do. Go back to your profile. Tap the three lines menu icon in the top right corner to open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. In the search bar, type username and click on the first option. From here, you'll see some information about TikTok's username rules, but we're going to request an exception. Scroll down to Is your problem resolved? And select No. Then tap Need more help to access the feedback form. Type Change Username, then click on Submit a Ticket. Write a message to TikTok explaining that you accidentally changed your username and need it updated sooner than the 30-day limit. Politely ask if they can help you reset it. After sending, TikTok should respond within a day or two and may allow you to change it sooner. That's it. Now you can update your username without the wait. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips. See you next time.